Good day everyone, my name is Rayadon Celestial Fernandez and I am 22 years old and I'm currently studying at the Holy Angel University taking up the course of Criminal Justice and Forensic. So today I just want to demonstrate and explain an essential skills on how to properly shine your combat boots. So as a criminology student and a future law enforcement officer, properly shining your boots is more than just about appearance. It actually reflects the discipline, professionalism, and attention to detail, which are essential in qualities in the field of law enforcement. In a law enforcement, discipline is a key. Maintaining polished boots shows that you take pride in your uniform and responsibilities. And well-maintained appearance sets the standards for how you carry yourself in the field. As a criminology student preparing for a career in policing, you must understand that first impression matters, whether during training, inspections, or real-world operations. Polished boots shows that you take you take your role seriously and respect the profession. So shining your boots teaches you attention to detail, crucial skill in criminal investigation and law enforcement. If you can be meticulous about your uniform, you are more likely to apply the same level of precision in handling cases, reports, and crime investigations. In many law enforcement agencies, the military organization properly maintained boots are part of the dress code and regulations. Learning this habit as a criminology student helps prepare you for the academic training and professional service. So, beyond appearance, shining your boots protects the leather from wear and tear. This is important as a law enforcement officer rely on their gear to perform effectively in the field. So, in any uniform service, polished boots are a sign of discipline, professionalism, and attention to details. A well-shined boots not only makes a great impression but also protects the leather, ensuring durability and longevity. So now, let's go through the proper steps. So, the first one is gather all of your materials. You will need of course, your pair of combat boots. So mine, I wear it's called the Gibson. That is what we use in the army. So because I'm a criminology student also, but right now I am joining the army ROTC or Reserve Officer Training Course. So, and also you will need a clean soft cloth or cotton balls and a shoe brush and a little bit of water, of course. So the second one is the second step is clean your boots. So before applying polish, remove first any dirt or dust using a dry cloth or a brush. If the boots are very dirty, use a damp cloth and let them dry completely during proceeding. Or if you can also wash your boots. So the third step will be apply the polish. For me, the thing that I use on polishing is called the Kiwi. It is a brand that is very useful to us, mainly in the Army, Air Force, Marines, Navies. Usually use this kind of this brand because this is very effective to our shoes. So third step is apply the polish using a soft cloth and apply a small amount of polish in circular motions. This helps the leather absorb the polish evenly. So the fourth step will be buff the boots or buff your boots. So take a shoe brush and buff the boots using quick, light strokes. These steps enhance the shining and removes excess polish. And the fifth step will be spit shine for extra gloss. Okay, so in the fifth step, for the extra glossy finish, slightly dampen a cotton ball with water and dip it in a polish and apply it in a small circular motions. Repeat these steps until the desired shine is achieved. So basically for me, my routine on this one is I shine my shoes or apply the kiwi 5 times or 6 times, because I want to be I want my boots very shiny, so when we go to the inspection, all of my officers will be proud to me or will be happy that I shine very well my shoes. And these final steps, or the 6 steps, will be final buffing. Once the polish is fully absorbed, take a dry cloth and give your boots a final buff, like rubbing this very gently. This will enhance the shine and make your boots inspection ready. So you are good to go, and your officers, when you are going to the inspection, your officers will say to you, you are very snappy. Snappy word means you are very neat and tidy. So shining your boots is more than just a routine. It is a reflection of self-discipline and respect for your uniform. By taking the time to maintain your boots properly, you demonstrate readiness and professionalism. Shining your boots is not just a routine task. It is a reflection of your character and demonstrate your commitment to discipline, professionalism, and readiness, all of which are critical in law enforcement. As a criminology student, developing this habit now prepares us to uphold the highest standards in our future careers. Okay, so thank you, and I hope this demonstration helps you keep your boots in a top condition.